you guys having a wonderful time, and in this tutorial we are going to see that how we do geocoding in Google Earth Pro. Actually, it is very essential in freelancing work to do geocoding. So let's start. First of all, we need the list of data which we need to acquire the lat long value. First, go to the Baitul Makaram. Just simply copy the place name and paste in the search button. So here I got the Baitul Makaram location, and let's just add a place mark. Okay, just add the place mark button in over the place of Baitul Makaram, and as you're seeing in the left side ribbon, or you can say tab, here you can see that the latitude and longitude value. If I changing the location, the lat long value already is changing, and here is the location of Baitul Makaram, the latitude value and longitude value. You just copy it and paste it. Okay, here you can see that the latitude longitude value is about the degree, minute and second. We did it in decimal degrees, so how we can actually change the latitude longitude format. Okay, so let's see it first. Tools, and go to the option, and here you will find the default lat long values format. Here is this. So we are going to see it in decimal degrees, so here we will click in the decimal degrees and apply it. Okay, so now let's see what happened. So here you can see that the value is in decimal degrees. Okay, because in ArcGIS or ArcMap software you need decimal degrees to convert it into shapefile. So just copy the latitude value and paste here, and then again longitude value, copy it and paste it. So in this way we are going to gather or acquire every points. Okay, so Shahjalal International Airport, okay, here is the Shahjalal International Airport. Simply add place mark and you will get the latitude longitude value. Actually Shahjalal International Airport is a quite big area. Okay, there is the latitude value. Shamoli Square Shopping Mall. Just repeat the same steps again and again, so you will get your desired result. Latitude value, longitude value, then United Hospitals. So we got our result of this area, and now we're going to save it. Okay, so in this way we'll acquire the lat long value of any places. Okay, thank you for watching.